Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington, D.C., I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
Welcome to episode 32. We are currently continuing our look around San Francisco. Today we're starting from Union Street near Washington Square, one of the city's most beloved open spaces. Washington Square Park has been a gathering place since the mid-1800s, and it remains the heart of North Beach. On a sunny day, you'll see families picnicking, friends tossing a frisbee, and locals simply relaxing on the grass. At the eastern edge rises the impressive Saints Peter and Paul Church. Its white twin spires instantly recognizable. The church has been a landmark for generations, appearing in movies and wedding photographs alike. Union Street itself runs along the northern side of the park and connects you to the mix of local cafes, restaurants, and old-world shops that reflect the Italian heritage of the neighborhood. Many of these family-owned businesses have been here for decades, serving traditional pasta, pastries, and espresso that helps preserve the district's cultural flavor. As we walk, it's impossible not to notice layers of history. In the 1950s and 60s, this area was a hub for the Beat generation, with poets and artists meeting in nearby cafes. Even today, you'll still feel that creative energy, with murals and independent bookstores dotting the side streets. Heading west along Union Street, you'll begin to sense the slope of Russian Hill ahead. The streets get steeper, views open up towards the bay, and the charm of San Francisco's hilly geography comes alive. At the same time, the park and the church remain just behind us, anchoring the neighborhood with its timeless presence. This walk from Union Street near Washington Square blends the bustle of the city life with the slow rhythm of community gathering place. A perfect snapshot of why North Beach continues to capture the imagination of both locals and visitors.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.